Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have a really quick Tuesday morning haul. I went Saturday. Today is Sunday. There was barely anything there, guys, so let me just share with you what I did get, what I did see. Most of you have already gotten these things, but this is what I've got. So there were some items that were color-coded for certain discounts. I didn't really get many of those because I didn't care for them. It was discounted on things that would look like, yeah. Anyway, I found the roll of La La Love stickers. It's 180 for $2.99. So I picked up one of those. That's what they look like. This one roll, and then the other one just has a bunch of hearts. So I picked that up. I'm not a big die person, but I did grab some Halloween dies. They did have the Witch's Broom for $1.99, and this is from Quick Cuts. This one is a cauldron. I thought that would be cute since we're working on Pastellerine right now. I can play with these like right away. I did find Merry Days, the stars. They look really tore up, guys, so what they did have I just grabbed. This one's still $1.99. it was not on one of the sales. This is one of the sale items, so this was 20% off, and it was $4.49 with the 20% off, and it's a little cloche die cut, so I figured maybe I can try my hand at making a shaker. Who knows, we'll see. But that's what it looks like right here. So it was not $4.49. I did find this Spellbinders Celebrate. It was another 20% off, and that's what it looks like. It's one whole piece, so we'll see. I mean, I'm not, like I said, I'm just getting into these now, so it's just one big die. And I guess that's it. We'll see. It was not $4.49 either. It was something cheaper. Okay, so I got those two. I did find a bunch of Snow Cocoa cards and gift bags. So I grabbed this one. This was 20% off, $1.99. That was the bags. So here are the cards, $2.99 with the 20% off. So basically the Snow and Cocoa was on sale at Tuesday morning. And then this one is $2.99 also. So everybody was playing with Snow and Cocoa for this past Christmas in July with Christian's Crafty Adventures. And I figured, let me grab some of these cards. These would be great anyway as regular Christmas cards. So that's what I did. I grabbed a bunch of them. There's different styles. They all look similar, but they're not. They're different. As far as the sizes, I think they're all the same size. Yeah. These are 12 cards, 12 envelopes. Yep. This one's 7 cards, 7 envelopes. Different styles. So that's what I did. I got these for the Christmas part. So there were very few paper pads. So we're doing the Disney in September with Christian. Again, she's doing a Christian's Crafty Adventures is doing Disney in September, but I found this. They also had a Despicable Me paper pad and the Good Dinosaur, which now I'm kicking myself. I should have grabbed it because it's so adorable. That would have been really cute also. But yeah, I know it's Pixar, but it's also Disney. So I picked this, and this might be my Disney in September paper pad. I did find some paper kits. Oh, and this was $7.99 for 36 sheets. I don't mind because it's very unique. You don't find that a lot. So this is a paper kit, and this one is $6.99. It's by Jelly Bean Soup. You get all of this. It's 12 double-sided papers, 2 of each pattern, and then 1 bite-size bit journaling cards, 1 die-cut shape sheets or sheet, and then coordinating stickers. So I was trying to make this quick, but I want to get into this. I want to look at it. This is what it looks like. Here's the cover. And I've seen ladies use these little cut aparts here. So here are the stickers, and they feel like vellum or clear stickers. I'm not sure, but that's what that is. That's what it looks like. Pretty colors though. Then you have these stickers with the alphas and then the sentiments and some shapes. One-sided. So cute. And here are the cardstock stickers. And you have some of these journaling tabs. This is a very pretty collection, guys. I've never seen it. I'm sure it's an old collection, but look at that cute little bicycle. So excited. So you get two of each design, and they're double-sided. So this is what that looks like. Look at the lemons. I think the ladies were going crazy for lemons a few months ago, but look at that. That's the paper on side B. Look at these pretty scales. Mermaid. Very pretty. And then you got these little, I don't know, what are those called? Leaves. And cute umbrellas. I like that there's 2 because, like Christian likes to make 3D projects, and you usually need either 1 or 2 of the double-sided 12 by 12 paper, which I love for projects. Look at the bicycles. Isn't that cute? I think that's cute. That's the back side. And then you get the die cut apart. And is it just one? Yeah. Yeah, it's just one of the cut aparts. It's very cute, guys. So I've not seen this collection before. That's my first time seeing that. Let's go to the next paper kit, and this is also Jelly Bean Soup. I'm trying to attach a video that I took when I was there. There's not a lot of stuff in my store. So this one is what is this? You make me happy. You make me so happy. Miso. I love the colors. Very pretty. So you have your alpha stickers, and then the sentiments, same thing. Then your shapes, very cute. And then you have these little stickers. I love the colors. It reminds me of spring into summer. Very pretty, guys. These are the transparent, or is it white? Let me see. I don't know. Well, you know what I mean. Here's the cardstock stickers, the little tabs on top. Cute little house. Very pretty, guys. I love it. Are these stickers or die? No, these are die cuts. So, oh wow. Anyway, here we have 2 of the same paper again. So very cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, I would make one of the projects with that. And then look at the pretty little polka dots. Oh, I'm loving the back side. Very cute. These flowers. Oh, see, I'm in love with the back, the side B. You got little flower pots. Oh my gosh, yes, I love the B side, guys. This paper collection is so cute. And then you get one of these. Very cute. And then you get 2 of the calendar cut aparts. And that's the back. Oh my gosh, I love the back. You make me so happy. And then here is your cut apart journaling cards with the back side. What? You guys, I love it. I love that. Anyway, that is it for my Tuesday. Oh, no, I have one more. Whoops. Sorry, guys. So I did grab this. Of course, we all know the whole dilemma with Maggie Holmes, but I did like the, what is this called? The project pad. And I grabbed it. So you guys have all seen it. You've seen it before. This was $6.99. So I thought that was cute. I don't know why I pulled the sticker off, but I'm not pulling it out. I like that. Then this project pad has coordinating glitters, and then you got foiling. And 2 of them. You get a sticker, alpha stickers, and then you get the cardstock stickers, which are always a bonus. The last thing, I thought I was done. I'm not done. Okay, I grabbed a scoreboard because I do have a scoreboard, but it's the one that folds and it tends to not be even, so my measurements are never correct. But anyway, I'm not going to bother. It's just a regular scoreboard at $14.99. I did buy some gifts. Hold on. Thought I'm done. Golly. Anyway, I bought the anti-pilling yarn they had there at Tuesday Morning. It is super soft, guys. Super soft. And I figured I'd make some of my hearts with these. And also this white one here. They're $5.99. Yeah, $5.99. So pretty pricey, but you do get a lot of yarn in these skeins. Alright, and then I got a baby gift. Whoops. Just a little baby gift for my niece. She's a newborn. So I grabbed these little pink shades and these bows, and also the flamingo all in one kit because she's in Florida and she's cool like that. I also got this little plush blankie. It's so soft, guys. Oh, I just keep it for myself. I'm playing. And then I found this little 3-piece set. Look at this cute little outfit. I had to get her something with purple. Okay, her sister loves pink, but I'm like, this is coming for me. She has to have a little bit of purple. So I got her this, and this will be going out to her soon. Pretty soon. She's in Florida, so I didn't really want to buy her much of like warm, heavy stuff. So I think her mama is gonna love that. So that is it. That is it for reals, for reals. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.